So today I'm making a mango shake. For that I have taken very few ingredients. I've taken 1 cup of mango chunks. I have taken half cup of milk. I have taken 2 scoops of mango ice cream and 2 teaspoons of basil seeds. And I'm going to blend them really well. And because the ice cream is sweet, I'm not going to put any ice cubes. If you want to add ice cubes, you can. As you can see, after blending, my mango shake is ready and it is so delicious. Believe me, it is so amazing, especially because of the addition of the mango ice cream. So now I'm going to try this mango shake because it's so delicious and I wanted to give it a try. And believe me guys, you need to make it. It just fits so few ingredients. I just made 1 glass out of it. You can multiply the recipe and make 2-3 glasses out of it. And it's so refreshing, it's so healthy, it's so amazing. Give it a try guys and subscribe to my channel.